Vietnam's manufacturing sector continues to show strong momentum. Industrial production maintained robust growth through the end of 2025, with the overall index of industrial production increasingly nearly 10% year-on-year, driven especially by manufacturing companies ramping up output to meet export and domestic demand. So this sustained growth reinforces Vietnam's role as a key manufacturing hub in Southeast Asia. Business confidence among manufacturers is at 22-month high. According to data from S&P Global, Vietnam's manufacturing business confidence has strengthened as companies reported increase in production and new orders at the start of the year. This shows firms are optimistic about demand and are more willing to expand capacity, hire workers, and meet international buyers' needs. Exports and trade volumes remain strong, but global competition is ongoing. Vietnam posted a significant surge in trade activity in January, with exports up nearly 30% year-on-year and imports also rising sharply. Processed industrial goods dominated exports, showing continued global demand for Vietnamese manufactured products. For buyers, this suggests a Vietnam supply chains are active and responsive, but also that demand pressure may tighten lead times if orders spike without proportional capacity increases. Vietnam is also advancing into higher tech manufacturing. Recent reports highlight that Vietnam is moving closer to becoming a high-tech manufacturing hub in Asia, with industrial production increasing by over 21% and the country strengthening its electronics and tech value chains. For buyers focused on electronics or more sophisticated components, this signals an expanding local ecosystem and expanding capacity beyond traditional manufacturing segments. Semiconductor ecosystem development is a big structural story. Vietnam has recently seen strategic moves toward building a more complete domestic semiconductor ecosystem. Major initiatives include new chip plants and testing packaging infrastructure, which aim to expand Vietnam's role in a critical global supply chain segment. While full chip fabrication is still in early stages, so these developments suggest future sourcing opportunities in tech and electronics industries. Vietnam's furniture sector continues producing at scale with compliance focus. Vietnam's furniture industry remains one of the world's largest exporters. Manufacturers are increasingly adopting global compliance standards such as FSC certification and ISO systems, which helps reduce risk for international buyers and opens doors to more demanding markets. They are also innovating with packaging strategies to control shipping costs. For buyers, this means greater assurance of quality, sustainability credentials, and supply chain transparency from Vietnamese partners. Agricultural exports set new records, highlighting diversification. Vietnam's agricultural, forestry, and seafood exports hit a record high in 2025, with total export value exceeding $70 billion. Strong performance across multiple product categories signals broader sourcing opportunities beyond industrial goods. What it means for buyers: supply capacity is growing fast, industrial activity is strong, and confidence is high, suggesting suppliers are ready to meet orders. Lead times may tighten, so rising demand and export volume mean buyers should place orders earlier. Advanced manufacturing is expanding, especially in electronics and tech, signaling more complex product sourcing options. Compliance and sustainability matter more, especially in furniture and other export sectors. Market diversification is real. Strong performance not just in manufacturing, but also in agriculture and exports overall.